Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to record PlayStation 5 video clips and upload them to the PlayStation app on your phone. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So when you're on your PlayStation 5, to record the video clip and have it automatically upload, this is very easy. The video clip you are recording needs to be 3 minutes or shorter for it to automatically upload. And also, if you're going to be using Share Factory, output the video at 1920 by 1080p. So I have Call of Duty Modern Warfare opened up. If I go ahead and hold down the share button and open up this screen where we can see take screenshots, start new recording, and save recent gameplay, what I like to do is after the gameplay has recorded, I'll go back, I'll select this, I'll save short clip to 3 minutes. So if I save the last 3 minutes, this clip will automatically start uploading. So let's go over to my capture gallery right now and go to the media gallery. Now, when we're in the media gallery, we can see what is uploading. So there's a little arrow that's pointing up with 2 little dots under it. That's an indication that clip is uploading. Then the photos and the videos that are already on the app will have like a little mobile/iPad symbol in the upper right as well. And you'll notice some of my clips do not have that because they have not been uploaded yet, or they aren't going to be uploaded. It will only take the most recent clips and save it for 14 days. Now, another thing you can do is, let's say I've already recorded something. Let's go down to one of these pictures down here. Let's go to this clip right here and select it. And I'm going to go ahead and just quickly edit it and set trim. And I'm going to go to start here and end here. And I'm going to save a new clip or replace the original. Now, when I go ahead and do this, it's going to start uploading this older clip to my phone app. So if you do save a video clip that is like 10 minutes long, you are going to have to edit specific parts down to 3 minutes, save as new, or replace the entire clip. Now, when you're in Share Factory, press the options button right here and go to export settings and just go to most efficient WebM 1920 by 1080. Otherwise, most compatible MP4 should work as well. I believe that is 1920 by 1080. Also, keep it under 3 minutes and you should be good to go for it to automatically upload to your PlayStation account on your phone. Next, go to settings on the home screen and scroll on down to captures and broadcast. Go under captures and go to the right to automatic upload right here and make sure this is checkmarked. Now, if I press the PlayStation button and go to upload/downloads, I'll see both my clips in here uploading. So let's go to uploads. So this one is just about done. And then the next one is in my queue. So this is the PlayStation app. This is what it looks like on your phone. If you don't have it already, go to the Google Store or the Apple Store and just type in PlayStation app and you should be able to install it very easily. Sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account. Then on the bottom right, go to the controller with the 6 boxes and then go to captures on the top and you should be able to see everything in here that you've uploaded. So here are some pictures. This one was from one of the lobbies and I noticed they had the 2021 Call of Duty champions in here on the wall. That was kind of cool. This was the FaZe clan. Now, to download the video clip, all you have to do is select the clip you want or image, then hit the download button in the bottom right. And your video or clip will go ahead and download to the PlayStation app on your gallery. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.